Today, we will learn 10 important life skills that can help children become more confident, independent, and responsible. Let's learn and grow together. Number 1. Personal hygiene. Learning to wash hands, brush teeth, and use a tissue helps children take care of their bodies. Good hygiene keeps us clean and healthy every day. Number 2. Children can learn to put on simple clothes, socks, shoes, and jackets. Practicing these skills helps them become more independent. Number 3. Cleaning up. After playing, it is important to put toys and belongings back where they belong. Number 4. Children can practice using a spoon, fork, cup, and napkin during mealtime. Learning to eat independently helps children feel confident and responsible. Number 5. Children can help with simple chores, such as wiping the table or putting dishes in the sink. Helping at home teaches responsibility and teamwork. Simple tasks like throwing of trash, helping laundry can be done by 2 to 5 years old. Number 6. Children can learn to use the toilet and wash their hands afterward. These important daily skills help children become more independent and stay clean. Number 7.
May I eat this apple, please?
Children can learn to express their needs and ask politely for what they want. Using kind words like, "May I have this, please?" helps children communicate with others.
May I have it, please?
Number 8. Children can practice waiting patiently for their turn while playing games or standing in a queue. Learning to wait and take turns shows kindness and respect for others. Number 9. Problem-solving skills. Children can learn to think and try different ways to solve simple problems, such as completing a puzzle or closing a water bottle. Trying again helps children become confident problem solvers. Number 10. Children can learn to recognize unsafe situations and make safe choices. Staying close to trusted adults and choosing safe places to play can help keep them safe. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more learning videos every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Home Learner TV. Tap the bell so you never miss a fun lesson. See you next time. Bye-bye, learners.